Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So my boy Mr. Talented Reid. So right here, it's been months I have this speaker box I removed from a car. So it's a built-in speaker box. As you can see right here. I know enough of you guys might know this box. So I removed from a, I'm not even sure the car I removed it from, because it was in a wreck. That's it crushed up real bad. But this part was in a section of the car. So I remove it. So just showing you guys where you can connect it for it to play. So you can see right here I have some wires connect to it. So if you guys come across and you have this box and you want to know how to connect it, this is it. So right here is the hardware jack. You can hear it's humming. So I'm getting audio from it. Right here I have a small battery, 12-volt battery. Also have a jump box right here also. So right here you might have the same color code. So these two wires that's in this silver coating piece right here. So you can see it's a gray and black right there, and this is a white and black, and it goes all the way to the little amp box right here. And right here I have a double red wire come from the box also. Right here I have two grounds, which is black and purple, and this red one is the one that power it as a remote. So you go to the live right here. This red and white one go all the way underneath here, come across to the live, which is plus, positive, and right here is the negative. So right here that's grounds it for it don't make so lots of noise, so that's grounds that one right here. So this right here, touch it make a lot of noise. So this is a Bluetooth thing I use to test it. It's working, but to avoid copyright claim I just do it this way, where I just press touch it and I get that audio from it. So it's really simple and easy. So if you want to connect it yourself, you can try it. It will work. As you can see, it's working. Let me touch it and see, guys. See? It's working. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.